How to claim voucher code in Binance. In this video, I will show you how to redeem your Binance voucher in 2025. So make sure to subscribe and like. Step 1. Open the Binance app and log into your account. Make sure that your app is updated to the latest version. Step 2. On your home screen, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. Step 3. Scroll down and select the reward center. And this is where Binance sends you voucher codes and bonuses. Step 4. You will see available vouchers listed, and then tap the claim button next to any active voucher. Step 5. Once claimed, the bonus, whether it's a trading fee rebate, cashback, or crypto credit, it will automatically apply to your eligible activity. Step 6. If you received a code, go to the reward center and then tap redeem and manually enter the voucher code and then confirm and it will be applied. Step 7. Some vouchers have expiration dates, so always check the time limit before using them. And now you can start claiming and using vouchers. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.